मामा मामा का कहीं चेक कराओ करो ना पानी पियो
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, I have pasted one link in chat box. It is for your first of all, a very happy World Students Day to all of you. Do you all know?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So today we will not be teaching anything. I have posted one link in chat box. It is for essay on learning in pandemic 2020. So I have given there 3 questions, just 3 questions I have given. Suppose if you are unable to complete it in one question, then you should be able to write something in second and third question. But second and third question is not that important. Even if you are writing one line in that particular sentences, it is okay if you are covering everything in first question, because it is a essay. So essay on learning in pandemic 2020. You have to share your experiences. You may start writing, you may also start writing it. You have to submit it by 12 p.m. You can write it in any in Hindi or English. In Hindi or English. I don't know whether you will be able to use the Hindi font, but if you can write it in Hindi also, no problem. So how many of you have read my message yesterday on WhatsApp? No word limits. No word limits. Vinay Gupta is asking, Is there no word limits? No word limits. I will be selecting best 5, first to 5. I will rank them as first to 5. And will give certificate also. So those who have joined late, for them, let me repeat the link. Or else any of you from your side in between, you can repeat this link. Yeah, good. So anybody has prepared anything for this, for your day, Students' Day? It's all your day. We are just here to celebrate it. If anybody has prepared, please. Sakshi, Abhi, Anjali, Devansh, Vinay, Ajay Shankar, Vivek Pandey.
हेलो मैम।
Yes, please.
मैम स्टूडेंट्स डे के बारे में तो नहीं, बट डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम की बर्थ
Okay,
एनिवर्सरी
okay.
पे थोड़ा
No
सा
problem.
कंटेंट है।
Yes, yes, please. Good. So Sakshi will be presenting on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam because it is his birth anniversary also. So along with your World Students' Day, it is the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So Sakshi, please go ahead. Good.
ओके मैम।
Yeah.
आई एम स्टार्टिंग विथ हिज कोट। सपने वो नहीं होते जो रात को सोने पर आते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो रातों में सोने नहीं देते। दिस फेमस कोट वाज सेड बाय द पॉपुलर साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। The full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born on 15th October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in Pilgrimage Center of Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). He was known as the Missile Man of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam received 7 honorary doctorates from 40 universities. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his work with ISRO and DRDO. In 1997, he received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna. Now I am ending with his famous quote, "If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning." Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Anybody else? Very good, Sakshi. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Anybody else from you? From students? Abhi. Ananya? Yeah, Abhi, please. Nobody else? You don't want to celebrate your day? You may quote, you may say 2-3 lines, not on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, not on other any general topic. You can talk and you can share your experiences also. It is a student's day, so you can share your experiences. Yeah, Kshetragya Vats is connecting to audio. Go ahead, Kshetragya. So anybody else from? Come on with spirit. Actually, it's your day. If you are not enjoying it, then who will enjoy it? You have to celebrate. Why others will celebrate for you? We have such a wonderful platform. It's not, you can speak in Hindi also, you can speak in English. Yeah, Rashmi, please. Anybody from students? Vaishnavi, Abhi, Ananya, Anjali, Devansh, Vinay, Ajay, Ansh, Charu, Omji, Unnat, Vikas, Rashmi, Ishita, Kshetragya, Ranjita, Soumya, Vaishnavi, Vivek Pandey, Yash Prem, Saurav. So nobody from nobody wants to say anything. Ananya, please come up, come with a spirit. What about Ishita? Ishita, Vivek?
अपना टाइम आएगा।
Vivek Pandey? Unmute yourself. Can anybody post this link on WhatsApp group? Or Sakshi, can you send me this on my personal number? This link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
मैम तबीयत थोड़ी खराब है सर आज मैम।
किसकी? विवेक?
यस मैम।
तो अपना इट्स योर डे, स्टूडेंट्स डे, 1-2 लाइन तो बोल ही सकते हो।
मैम प्रिपेयर नहीं किए कुछ।
कोई बात नहीं है, कोई प्रिपरेशन की जरूरत नहीं है। हम आपस में बात करने के लिए कोई प्रिपरेशन की जरूरत नहीं है। आप कोई भी 2 लाइन बोल सकते हो। कुछ भी बोल सकते हो आप, मतलब जनरलाइज कोई भी, जो आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट हो, जो आपका फेवरेट टॉपिक हो, जो आपका फेवरेट गेम हो, किसी भी बारे में बोल सकते हो। फेवरेट गेम्स के बारे में बोल सकते हो, ऑनलाइन गेम्स के बारे में बोल सकते हो। उसके लिए कहाँ प्रिपरेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है। 2 लाइन ही तो बोलनी है, 2 सेंटेंसेस। I want you should celebrate your day with enthusiasm. That's why I have not kept any study contents. Yes, Devansh, please. Devansh Vasisht.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah. Devansh.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. And hi,
Yes.
everyone. So, on this auspicious occasion of uh, Students' Day, so I want to share something that, as we all know, that we are just pursuing our engineering. So, it's and as well as we are following our uh, any goal or dream along with it. So I can say, and I want to say that we should have to just focus on our ultimate goal, and just we all don't have to just deviate it from it due to some distractions or anything, because each and everything is just a bait, nothing more than that. So I want to motivate you all that please focus over your ultimate goal instead of small goals. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you, Devansh. Wonderful. Excellent. Good. Good thought. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, anybody else? Saurav?
Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Saurav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Ma'am, I would like to tell something about APJ Abdul Kalam, sir.
Yes, please. Good.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is not a new name. He served India as the 11th president. He was born on 15th of 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Because of his works in the field of science and especially missile and rockets, he is also called the Missile Man of India. He was a famous scientist. He worked with organizations like DRDO, which is Defense Research and Development Organization, and ISRO too. He was a real gem of India. He proved that with determination and hard work, anything can be achieved. He's one of the many leaders in India who has plenty of admirers. He served the nation for only one term and left us for always on 27th July 2015 due to cardiac arrest. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Very good. Excellent. Good, Saurav. Now, Soumya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Please. Soumya, say something.
Ma'am, I would like to speak. Good morning, ma'am. I would like
Good
to
morning.
speak on some few words about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Okay, go ahead. Very good.
Ma'am, he is popularly known as the Missile Man. He's popularly known as the Missile Man of India,
Yes.
and he is a source of inspiration for many of us students. He's the Missile Man of India, and during his childhood, he got inspiration after seeing a bird, that the in future he will also go in that field. That how a bird flies, by seeing the structure of the bird. That day only he decided that he will be doing something great in his future.
Yes. Excellent.
And
Go ahead, please.
and one of his most famous quotes that inspired me a lot: don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. So even if you succeed, you don't have to relax or something like that. Keep on going, keep on doing, whether it is any kind of situation, you should not stop. because nothing can stop you from learning or doing something great.
Excellent.
That's only, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Ranjita.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, please.
मैम मैं एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ।
हाँ, बताइए।
एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम का पूरा नाम अबुल पाकिर जैनुल अब्दीन अब्दुल कलाम है। उनका जन्म 15 अक्टूबर 1931 में हुआ। इन्हें मिसाइल मैन और जनता के राष्ट्रपति के नाम से जाना जाता है। भारतीय गणतंत्र के 11वें निर्वाचित राष्ट्रपति थे। वे भारत के पूर्व राष्ट्रपति, जाने माने वैज्ञानिक और अभियंता के रूप में विख्यात थे। उन्हें सिखाया, जीवन में चाहे जैसी भी परिस्थिति क्यों न हो, पर जब आप अपने सपने को पूरा करने की ठान लेते हैं तो उन्हें पूरा करके ही रहते हैं। थैंक यू मैम।
Excellent. Very good. Yeah. I request you to say your name also before starting, because it's all getting recorded. So you will have good memories. Now, Romit Singh. Romit. Romit. Pravir. Pravir. Ishita. Come on, Ishita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Okay, so recently I read Wings of Fire. This is an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. So in that, there's a mention that he wanted to join the Air Force, but he tried really hard for that, but he couldn't get selected due to some reasons, and he was really depressed. And in today's day and age, failing is very common because there's cutthroat competition, and we get really depressed when we fail because these days people know, almost everyone knows what they want to do, almost because like their family has told them, or like their own goals or something. So like in that, after reading that part, like that really inspired me that we shouldn't stop because of one failure, or all his life like after in his engineering days, and for some time he really wanted to join the Indian Air Force, but he couldn't. So he was depressed because of it, but he didn't let that thing stop him. He then joined, he took the next opportunity which was in front of him and made the best out of it, and that made him the Missile Man of India. So I would like to say this on National Students Day, that we should keep the no matter what happens in our life, we should keep the student in us alive, and whatever opportunities in front of us, we should take it and make the best out of it.
Very good.
Thank you,
Excellent. Excellent. Good. If anybody is having this audio of clapping, is it a audio? I'm asking for myself. If it is there, anybody can send me. Now next, Unnat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, I would like to say something about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, sir.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Uh, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on
If you
15
want, you can
October
put your camera
1931.
also on. If you want, you can put your camera also. It is not compulsory, but if you want, you can put your camera on. Yeah, please go ahead, Unnat.
मैम थोड़ा लाइट का इशू है इसलिए नहीं
Okay,
ऑन
no
किया.
problem. Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
He was 11th president of India. Uh, his profession was aerospace scientist, and some of his notable book is Wings of Fire. He also worked in Defense Research and Development Organization, Indian Space Research Organization.
Anything else?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, good, good. Very good.
Thank you.
Good. Omji?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Devansh is playing this audio.
Ma'am, I want to say
No,
something
ma'am. No,
about
ma'am.
World
No, ma'am.
Student Day.
मैम डिस्कनेक्ट
Okay.
हो गया था मैम मेरा ऑडियो
Okay, okay, okay,
उसको
okay.
कनेक्ट कर रहा था.
Yeah, please. Omji, please go ahead.
Ma'am, World Students Day is a global event celebrated on October 15 every year.
Hmm.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary is celebrated on October 15, and this day is in the memory of him. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam presides over as the 11th President of India in 2002 and was commonly known as the People's President. This day is dedicated to acknowledging the contributions of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to the world. It also honors Dr. Kalam's incredible work and participation in the field of space research. And this day is commemorated to mark and make the growth of students worldwide. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Charu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
good
morning,
morning.
everyone.
Yes.
Ma'am, as we know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir was a very great Indian scientist. So I would like to speak on the role of science in making India.
Yes, please.
As we know that in the last few years, science has developed and helped a lot in the development of India. We know that science has contributed in many sectors, not only in studies or technology, in other sectors also. Like it has improved the global economy. It has increased employment opportunities. Like the people who are doing science or are in science streams, they have got so much opportunities so much opportunities to develop our country, and it has saved millions of lives and played a major role in a lot of industries. We know that science is very important for the growth and development of any country, not only India. It is important for every country. It even plays a key role in our daily lives. Like nowadays, we can't live without technology. We have technology in our room, in our homes, in offices, and everywhere, in schools, colleges, everywhere. So I think every country should invest as much as possible in research and development for scientific technologies. And Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a great inspiration for us.
Okay, excellent. Very good. Ajay Shankar. Come on, Ajay. Vinay.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to express my views on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam,
Yes.
as I am deeply influenced by his personality.
Vinay
So,
speaking, na?
Dr.
Vinay, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Vinay
Yes.
Gupta.
Yes, please. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a man of vision, I think, and he was a true philanthropist and a true human in real sense. As we all know, he was a great scientist, but other than that, he loves teaching and students. He earned such respect, which anyone wants to learn in his lifetime. And later, at the later stage of life, he also become president of India, but he never been into politics. He is a man beyond politics, and he is such a person. He was such a person who will always be remembered with respect and honor. And his books and speeches will always guide us through our lifetime. And he was a patriot in the true sense. And everyone should try to learn from his personality and teachings. And I want to end and my uh, my speech with a quote that he recited in one of his speech. When there is when there is righteousness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character, and when there is a beauty in the character, there will be harmony in the home. And if there is harmony in the home, there will be order in the nation. And when there is order in the nation, there will be peace in the world. Thank you, ma'am.
Very
That's
good.
all.
Excellent. Good. Yeah. Anjali. Anjali Gupta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning. Please.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is famous name in the whole world. He is counted among the greatest scientists of the 21st century. Even more, he becomes the 11th president of India and served his country. He was the most valued person of the country, as his contribution as a scientist and a president is beyond compare. Apart from his contribution to the ISRO is also remarkable. He made many projects that contributed to the society, and also he was one of the who helped in the development of Agni and Prithvi missiles. So he is inspiration for the youth of today.
Excellent. Good. Anjali, good. Yeah. Ananya. Abhi wants to say something. Ananya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning. Please.
Ma'am, I have heard everyone is speaking about APJ Abdul Kalam. They're speaking about the science and scientists, but no one just consider the word student. So I would like to speak on the word student.
Okay,
Student
good.
is not just a word, it comes with a lot of responsibility in a single person's life when we just move ahead to achieve some kind of knowledge in our life. It not only give us knowledge on about the topic, but it gives us knowledge for every single things that happens in our life, like uh, in this pandemic situation, we how we are just uh, doing things, we are just considering ourselves and our studies. Students stands for study, truthfulness, unity, discipline, energy, and treasure. It is a word which gives us all the things that we have to learn in our life. It gives us a knowledge of not only what is there in the book, but of relationships also. Sometimes it gives us a fall in our life. Sometimes it raises us to a point that every single people know our name. They praise us, they appreciate us. So I would like to thank our parents that they give us this opportunity, because there are many students who can't even go for studies. There are many children who are waiting so that people call them student. So I think we should thank our parents that they gave us this opportunity to be a student and to learn all the things that is happening in our life, and to be some more uh, energyful and powerful, so that we can face the world in future. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Good. Abhi? Yeah, Abhi, please. Ajay, Abhi, anybody? Pravir? Anybody who is remaining from the list?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Ma'am, on the occasion of World Students Day, I would also like to say something.
Okay, Rashmi, go ahead.
World Students Day is commemorated to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on October 15th annually. UNO announced this occasion to facilitate the contribution and works of Dr. Kalam in space research. Dr. Kalam stated that students should hold an aim in life and acquire knowledge through all possible sources. They should put in hard work and never accept defeat by the problem, and always defeat the problem and gain success. He is the true inspiration for the students. Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. Good. Yeah, Abhi, please. Anybody else from the students? Abhi, Pravir. Ansh? Ansh Khare? Unmute yourself. Akarsh? Akash Srivastava? Akarsh? You may start writing your attendance in chat box. Anybody else wants to say something? So good. Thank you for your participation. And once again, happy World Students' Day to all of you. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome, and try to attempt this essay. You just have to share your experiences, or your learnings, your thoughts. The title is Learning in Pandemic to 2020. So if all of you have written your attendance, then shall we end this meeting? Deepak, you want to say something? Has everybody written the attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So thank you all. We'll end the meeting now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome.